Welcome to our quick guide on setting up the Token Pocket wallet. This video will walk you through the process for both iOS and Android users. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on iOS or the Google Play Store on Android. Search for Token Pocket and download the app. Once installed, open the Token Pocket app. You'll see the option to create a new wallet or import wallet. Choose Create a new wallet. Create a secure password for your wallet. This will protect your funds, so make sure it's strong and memorable. Then, select Polygon Matic from the list of available networks and name your wallet. Next, you'll receive a backup phrase. Write this down and store it in a safe place. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet if needed. Confirm your backup phrase by entering it as prompted. This ensures you've noted it correctly. Now you're on the Token Pocket wallet dashboard. That's it. Your Token Pocket wallet is all set up and switched to the Polygon network.
XBR Protocol, DeFi Reimagined.